You can see the slopes of Mount Elgon. There's some rain appearing there that far. You can see it's whitish in color. Even here it was just showers. It's as if the clouds just were passing by, the heavy clouds, and they left their blessings there. But otherwise, Kitale is good, and it has been sunny since morning. Unlike in some days that it just rains, and also during the night we never got any rains. So I wonder what a change. There, even the rain here is over. It's going all the way to the mountains there. You can see Mount Elgon far away, far at the horizon. That's Mount Elgon. The mountain itself is